Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a step-by-step process how you can easily add moving average on your TradingView chart that you have here. So when you come here and you are in a TradingView, the first thing you want to do is just be in charts. Then what you want to click on are indicators. So you're gonna click on indicators. Then when you are in indicators, you just wanna simply click and write relative strength index, click add, and then the next thing that you want to add is moving average. Okay, moving average. And now when we have it, click X, and then you see right here the moving indicator, and you would like click on it, right click, and you can click existing pane below, and here you got it. So this is pretty straightforward, how we can do it and how we can work with the TradingView and how we can easily add moving average to your TradingView. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and like give you advice. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.